control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my.
Hey guys, so today it is daylight savings, so oh my gosh, time move forward, and I'm moving forward with this recipe that I'm about to make today. We're gonna be making bread from scratch, and like I showed you, we have all of our ingredients right here, and I'm ready. So first we're gonna be doing 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So we're gonna activate the yeast, and today we are using seltzered water. So they said that seltzered water or sparkling water, ooh, from me. They said that this bad boy helps the water. Ooh, that's what I was trying to avoid, man. Oh my god. They said exactly what it did. It helps the bread get a little foamy because of all of this extra foams. So it says 1/2 cup of warm seltzered water. 1/2 cup. My gosh. It just bursted all over me. We're gonna place it right here, and then we're gonna cover it and put it in a very dark place for an hour, and we'll be back. So we have our bread rising for 1 hour inside of the oven. I put a towel over it. I put it in the oven on off. Please do not turn your oven on. This was the darkest place in the house. So I put my bread in there. So it's gonna be rising for 1 hour. Right now it's exactly 12:30 on the dot. So I'll be back at 1:30 so we can continue this bread baking process. One hour.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, so I fell asleep for a couple of hours. So the bread has been risen for an extra 2 hours. So let's see how it's risen. Okay. Okay, it's bread. Okay. So we're gonna work with this. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our bread out of our bowl, and we're gonna put it in some flour. it's so light. Ooh. So they said to feel it. If it presses in, you punch it in to get all of that fluff out. So today we have a 6 muffin pan, and we're gonna use that to make rolls. Okay guys, so I let it roast a little more for 15 minutes. Alrighty. Oh, one of them is really big. That one's a big boy. I'm about to put it in the oven, but 375. I should have started that. 375. So while we wait for our oven to preheat, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and get this page rolling. Give a sister a like. Our oven is ready. Our oven is ready. So these are how they puffed up. A couple of them are gonna be bigger than the other, but it's our first time. So right now it is 5:10, so we're gonna be taking it out at 5:25. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Guys, I just took them out the oven. I'm gonna give them a little glaze. Okay, so we are okay, so we are going to try the first bread. What do y'all think we should put inside? Peanut butter, jelly, butter. What do you want?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter first. Just peanut butter first.
Yeah, let's do a little bit of that jam too.
Peanut butter and jam. Okay, it's nut butter. It's almond butter. I keep forgetting. Okay. Cool.
I forgot to. It's nut butter.
Nut butter. I've been waiting. Been waiting to try. Nut butter and jam. It's really good. Yeah. This jam is gonna be so good on this nut butter. You can have that.
Thank you, baby.
I'm gonna take that. Showed everyone. Yeah. Mm-hmm. A real life review, everyone. A real life review.
Yeah. That's good, baby.
Really?
That's
All
good,
right.
baby.
Thank you. So I'm guessing this one we're gonna put butter inside.
Oh yeah, definitely butter.
That was really good.
That was, baby. That was really good.
Thank you. Okay. So we have salted sweet cream butter. It's gonna taste really good on it. This is my first time making bread, everyone.
Thanks, baby. Just blocking my bread. Oh wow.
You can taste the bread with the butter.
Oh, most definitely. That's good, baby.
Thank
That's
you.
really good.
Thank you so much. I did my big one,
You did your big one, baby. You did your big one.
not the little one. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, baby.
So that was me making some bread, tasting it, getting a live review for everyone. So please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and show me your bread whenever you decide to bake some. Next time. Bye. Okay, so we're playing a game. This is the last bread. So I put each flavor on top of one. Nut butter, jam, butter, and honey. So we're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first, to see what gets taken.
Are we doing that rock,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Are we doing it like that?
Yeah, one go.
So I won.
Yeah, so you choose the first one. Like, I should have said no, but 2 out of 3. Okay.
I'll go with the nut butter.
Nut butter's gone. Woo!
Oh, almost gone.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Thank you.
I like butter.
Okay, that's fair.
That's good. We ate all 6.
Go, that's really good. Ready?
Whoa! Okay. Which one is he gonna choose? Honey or jam?
I want that honey.
Ooh, honey is gone. Honey is gone. Okay, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who eats the last one, and it's gonna be me, regardless who wins. Okay, well, let's make it fair. Alright, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I did it on my own. My big one. You see, it looks like a nice jam filling.